So what beautiful ladies, let me hear you scream. And then we are dead, that's the way we ride. Gotta be at gold. The paparazzi up and the girl them just up on the road. Girls, we gon' party like it's your birthday. Like it's your birthday. Next in line, Mr. Music. All clean-hearted Jamaican people want under the sky like this. Give me major signal. Go on the phone like them, go on the light of them. Right out, Mr. Music. If your heart clean, the Almighty said love your neighbor as you love yourself. Some people can't love them neighbor because they don't love themselves. Aye, but me say big up on the real friend them. Every time clean-hearted sentence people show up the signal them the man with the major. If you know it represents right now, hell mixing up. Big up on the real friend. Oh yes, you're real. Just raise your back and raise your glass and tell them, send them a you. Oh yes, you're real. Me never over here so sick with me no man. Big up on the real. Oh yes, you're real. We're pretty straight. None of them down bend now. Your real friend, oh yeah, your real friend. Wherever genuine, so listen to me and your real friend will tell you when you're wrong. Now go send you out for getting no earthly possession. No negativity, straight progression. Big up on the real friend, so hold on strong, yeah. Your real friend will always tell you the truth. If you need a hand, they will be there to contribute. Every choice with you when you carry a shoot. If you play a jump, sing it out one more time and mix it. Big up on the real. Easy. Next in line. Every man will have woman say woman. From creation, the woman was made for the man. And that can't change. Ladies, hey, me and my baby, we are the ones. We always read the cases. Should I see? Said disagreements, we know how to solve them. Yeah, that's what love's about. Yes, I'm not too much something, you know. Listen, even if we fight, it's hard to break up. Wanna see your face when I wake up. Genuine love is what we made of. That's what I found in you, lady. Even when times get hard, me and you got the best. We've been through the test of times, lady. Yet we're still together, me and my baby. We have our problems, girl. Always work them out, yes. Always. 11. Now the major now separate from the woman, them no time. See, so I remember woman vex. Just dash me prayer and say, hello baby, can you come over? Right now do the next thing, you know. Say we need you tonight, so we love. Come grab me up under the cover, girl. Rock till the lampshade turn off. Rub me chest, rest your head for me shoulder. I make me listen some Anita Baker. Show up the flag and if you're going no man. I see it up, girl, you're alright. Hey, bring up my brother, business signal, you know it. Try it on. You don't know. Where's the voicemail? I hear Queen Africa's here and big up the general bounty killer is here as well. One general every time. I wish power they know. Eh? Where's my friend? Can I hear the beautiful ladies scream? Alright, watch out, test that now. Can I hear the faithful ladies scream? From me, she not give it away. Yeah. Now we see Momentum Music Festival. Some of me test the crowd. All proud Jamaican, we love them 100% reggae music. Say proud Jamaican. Senton. I'm longing to see you. I wanna know how you've been doing. Oh. Test me and test you tonight in a D-Major Senton in concert. See, every day I love her just a little bit more. Little bit more, just a little bit more. Every day I love her just a little. And she loves me. Alright, don't feel like going bad. Watch your style. No. Said she doesn't want me. Right? She's got some things to... I think she wants a crowd, someone to take for a sentence, sing it. But I keep telling her I'm too experienced to be taken for a, oh my Lord, too experienced for someone to rock and roll. Jesus. No, don't accept that. We don't have to go left me. We now go back and go down. It's a music, which part we there now? What if an artist there? Which part? Kick it now, man, a reggae music. It's a music festival, we're performing. Big up to the icons who pave the way for people like D Major. We love Barry 7, put the signal them up like Solomon and rock with them, man. Hey! Every time I think of saying good, kick it for you, man. Next in line. Right away, Mr. Music, we're not wasting no more time. Yeah. Try to big up yourself. And we are saying the youth them right now. We have their own mentality, you see me yourself. The youth them will not take the program, the youth them will not power with no pedophile. The youth them will not power with no pedophile. Put up this signal down the man. Watch out now. Mama says, show me your country. Hey, tell me who. Hey, sis. Next one right away, Mr. Music, D-Major representing. I leave you in love. Mr. Blessing sent and D-Major said, remember God before everything. That's the only way we are going to fix everything, Satan. God before everything. Represent this one. The real general them bring this up. The general them over this up. All of the general them over this up. Represent right now. And then me this up. Because we know real boy. We know real boy. Love him, Satan. I'm saying we have to keep the show moving. We have to keep the show moving. Oh, so don't give me a vlog check. Let me see if everybody a vlog. Oh, don't give me a vlog check. Oh, don't give me a... Because every time we vlog, this is somehow not wicked. Oh, don't have a vlog.